His dad is making a rumbling sound in the front end. Let's take a look. Let's see what happens. Oh, look. Whoa. Oh, so typical. So in order to do this job, we're going to have to dry this one out and put in 2 new ones. We're going to take off the caliper to get that done. 17 millimeter. There we go. Okay, so now that's out of the way. There's 2 screws right here we need to take out. Now if yours are hard to get off, you can take a hammer and kind of pound those. That will help take them out. Okay, car's in neutral. And now we can spin this around as needed. So let me show you something. This is what I had to do before. You're going to take a Dremel and you just want to cut off a little piece of this backing plate. Won't hurt anything, doesn't affect anything. It's a backing place for dust and whatever. You can just zip, zip, pull that out, and then you have a straight shot to put those new wheel studs in. Now we know this one here is already out, so let's move this one that broke to right there. Get your big hammer, and you're gonna hit it. And they will come out. If you need to, take a punch and drive it all the way out. Out it comes. Trashola. So your new one, there'll be a link down below where you can buy these off Amazon. And yeah, you'll make me $1 or 2, but oh well. You can simply slide it in. Take your hammer, and you're just going to nail that, drive that in a little bit. To get it about right there. Now you can see it's not fully contacted. So here's where you got to get creative. Find yourself a spacer, a bunch of washers, stack them up. Something that's going to fit over that. And put this on. Now, you can either by hand wrench it down, or if you happen to have an impact it down. Watch this space here close up. And once you see that it's got no more, you're good. Reverse it off. Okay, one stud on. Spin this around. Repeat the process. All right, so let's make sure that's down. We'll do one more ugga dugga. Think we're good. Take our spacer off. All right, now we have all those back together. Threads are good. Shouldn't have any problems with the threads. Let's go and put our caliper back on and our rotor, and we're good to go. Okay, let's put our rotor back on. Remember to line up the 2 holes where those screws go. Tight. Good, good. Get her in. Tighten it down. Tight. Tight. Good, good, good. Now that we have that on, we can go ahead and put our bolts on that hold our caliper. Unhook that. Then we'll tighten these down. All right, now we'll get this tire on. Okay, well, that's going to wrap it up here at the Arrowhead Garage, working on our 2005 Honda Accord, placing those wheel studs. It's not that hard to do. You don't need a lot of tools, just some basic stuff to get the job done. Parts down below, you can order the new wheel studs, you can order new lug nuts if you need those. And again, anything else you need, just hit me up in the comments, let me know what you think. If you liked the video, please do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button. And if you want to see more Honda content, subscribe and let me know what you're driving and what year Honda you have, and maybe I can help you out on a few things when the time comes. So until next time, guys, be safe and have fun, and I'll see you next time.